Bloch theorem. As we know that there is a periodic potential in the crystalline structure. So Bloch gave a important theorem which is known as the Bloch theorem. As we know that in the free electron theory, an electron moves in a constant potential V naught, and the Schrodinger wave equation for a one-dimensional case is d2 psi upon dx square plus 2m upon h cross square E minus V naught psi is equal to 0. The solution of this equation is plane waves of the type psi x is equal to e to the power plus minus I kx, where k represents the momentum of the electron divided by h cross. It is clear from the above equation that the kinetic energy of an electron is given by E kinetic is equal to E minus V naught is equal to h cross k square by 2m is equal to p square by 2m, where h cross is equal to h by 2 pi. The complete solution for the wave function containing the time is obtained by multiplying psi x by e to the power minus I omega t, where omega is equal to E by h cross. As we know that from the Planck's constant E is equal to h nu, अब इसको 2 पाई से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, 2 पाई h न्यू डिवाइडेड बाई 2 पाई h क्रॉस ओमेगा, वेयर ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई न्यू. Let us consider that an electron moving in a one-dimensional periodic potential, then the potential energy of an electron satisfies the equation, Schrodinger equation is Vx is equal to Vx plus A, where A is the period, where A is the period. In this case, the Schrodinger equation is d2 psi upon dx square plus 2m upon h cross square E minus Vx psi is equal to 0. With reference to the solution of this equation, there exists an important theorem which states that there exist solutions of the form psi x is equal to e to the power plus minus I kx u kx. Equation number first, where u kx is equal to u k x plus a. Thus, the solutions are plane waves modulated by the function ukx, which has the same periodicity as the lattice. This theorem is known as Bloch theorem. यहाँ पे हम लोग जो ये देख रहे हैं uk इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस ए, दिस इज़ द पीरियोडिसिटी, पीरियोडिक फंक्शंस ये हमारे हो गए. और यहाँ पर जो हम लोगों ने सब्स्टिट्यूट दिया है लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h बाई पी, विच इज़ द de Broglie wavelength. Thank you for watching the video.